Assalamualaikum and hello. I and my team will present the mathematics to differentiation. The code's mathematics is DBM 20023 and my lecturer is MC Aiman bin Zulkifli. This is a team role and responsibility. The first is me, Muhammad Kimirani, is the make slide and searching for information for the introduction and application in real life. And Muhammad Firdaus bin Ridwan is to making slide and searching for information about introduction and summary. And Muhammad Zikri bin Muhammad Razali is solving the mathematical equation, then review the slide. And Adam Harid bin Abdul Razak solving mathematical equation and reviewing the slide. Introduction. What is a differentiation? Differentiation is the process that we use to find the gradient for a point on the curve. To understand this better, we should recall that to find the gradient to look for a straight line, we simply divide the change in the y by the change in the x. We can know that slope for a straight line is always constant. The slope basically characteristic the direction for the line. We find the slope by first choosing n 2 points A and B on the line. This is the formula dy dx. This formula differentiate is dy over dx equals lim h open bracket f plus open bracket x plus h close bracket minus f open bracket x close bracket over h close bracket b.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fida Birizan and my normal metric is 01DEA 23F111C. I can explain example application of the differentiation in the real life. Number one, physics and engineering. Differentiation help to use understand motion and change by differentiating displacement with respect to time. We obtain velocity and acceleration. This knowledge is good in design vehicle predicting the behavior of object in motion and deliver control system of robotic. Number two, differentiation assists in maximizing profit and minimizing cost by differentiation cost and renew function. We can determine the production level and maximizing profit. Additionally, the concept of margin analysis, which involves calculating of the rate change of cost or review, help to optimizing decision making a processor. Number three, medic. Differentiation play a vital role in the modeling physiology process. A differentiation function that describe the growth or decline or substance in the body. Such a drug concentration, we can analyze the rate of change and make informed declaration about the source and treatment strategy. Lastly, computer science. Differentiation facilitates machine learning algorithm and optimization technique. This allows you to update the parameter of models based on the guidance of objective function, leading to improved prediction and linear processor.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Adam Harid bin Abdul Razak. My matrix number is 01DE 23F 1118. Now I'm going to solve this equation. So first we got the equation. Then we need to differentiate this equation. So after we differentiate it, we got 6x power of 2 minus 6x. Then we need to do the stationary point. So for the stationary point, we need to do for the after we differentiate it, we need to equal it to 0. Then we need to factorize it. After we factorize, we need to find the value of x. After we found the value of x, we put the value of x to the equation y. After we insert the value of x into the equation y, then we got the value of y. After that, from the question that we have been differentiated, we need to differentiate it for the second time. Then we insert the value of x to the equation that we have been differentiate for the second time for both of the value of x. That means the 0 and 1. So for the first one, the answer is 6. So 6 is more bigger than 0. Which means it is a minimal point. For the second one, the answer is -6. It's less than 0, which means it is a maximal point. And then we sketch the graph. From the stationary point, we got the y-axis. The value of y-axis is -1. For the x-axis is 1. Then we sketch the graph. So that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Muhammad Azali. My matrix number is 10DE23F119. Today I'm going to explain about, we are going to continue to our next question, which is question H. So hopefully everyone watching this video is in good condition. Alright, let's get into it. So, question H.
So first thing first, you write the question. So now the first step is we differentiate the question. So as you can see, I already differentiated. So negative 5 when we differentiate is gone. So 6x if we differentiate is become 12. Now the x will be gone. Now x cubed when we differentiate is become x squared. So now we are at the stationary point. Stationary point always going to be 0. So now, therefore, we can say that 3x cubed plus 12x equals to 0. So now, we'll factorize the equation. So now we have factorized. Now we have to do every single one. We bring the x to the other side, and we need to be left the x at one side, so we can have the x value. So plus 6 bracket negative 4 square minus 5 equals to 27. So now we do the other one. So now when x is equal to 0, then y equals to 0 square. So basically, when the x is negative 4, or when we have the value of x, we simply just replace the x with the value we have. So now we have the both of the value. So therefore, negative 4 and 27 and 0 and negative 5 are stationary point. So now we differentiate for the second time. So after we differentiate, we will got 6x plus 12. Now therefore, negative 4 and 27 is the maximum point. And 0 and negative 5 is the minimum point. So now we can proceed to the drawing the graph. So we just, as for me, I'm just draw as friend. So moving the point to the stationary point at 27, and down goes to -5 as stationary point, and then so now we're done.
Ciao.
Summary. Differentiation is a machine to find the gradient for a curve. When differentiating a function, always remember to rewrite to the equation as a power for x. This makes it easily to differentiate. The differentiation formula is if the y equals x power n, when n is a real constant, then dy dx dy over dx equals nx power n minus 1. Derivation, the derive for a constant is always 0. Basic rules for differentiation is number 1, if y equals x power, then dy over dx equals nx power n minus 1.